Hey there! In today's video, we're going to tackle a common problem that many users face when trying to run a program through the command line. So, here's the problem I encountered every time I tried to execute a command to start a program. I kept getting an error message saying the file name, directory name, or volume label syntax is incorrect. Frustrating, right? Well, let's dive into the solution to this pesky issue. Now, the solution to this problem involves using the correct commands in the command line interface. One essential aspect to keep in mind is the proper use of the cd and start commands. By following this format, cd c:\program files, x86, \game save manager v3, followed by start gs_mngr_3, you can successfully navigate to the program's directory and launch the executable file. Building upon the initial solution, another approach you can take is to combine both commands into a single line using the and separator. By structuring the command as cd c:\program files x86 \game save manager v3 and in start gs_mngr_3, you ensure that the directory change and program execution happens seamlessly without any errors. Furthermore, for more efficiency, you can directly run the executable file without the need for the start command. Simply use the command cd c:\program files x86 \game save manager v3 and gs_mngr_3 to change to the program directory and run the executable file in one go. In addition, if the program doesn't require any specific directory change, you can directly run it using its full paths. For instance, you can execute the program by entering c:\program files x86 \game save manager v3 gs_mngr_3 in the command line. Lastly, if you encounter any peculiarities with the start command, remember to include an additional set of double quotes as shown in start c:\program files x86 \game save manager v3 gs_mngr_3. This ensures smooth execution of the program without any unexpected errors popping up. To wrap it up, mastering these command line techniques can save you from the headache of dealing with syntax errors when running programs. I hope this video was helpful in resolving the issue you may have encountered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech problems you'd like me to tackle. Until next time, happy coding!